Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models. And as I'm getting things prepped and ready for our new Saturday morning show live on YouTube rather than on Facebook, I got something in the mail today. The first of our 2025 cars. This is Chase Elliott's primary scheme. If you were watching last night for the at Daytona at the twin 100s or whatever it was, 100, 125, I don't know what it was. Anyway, the twins. Chase was in there in his new 2025 livery. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we got going on. So here we go, the new Chase Elliott 2025 Chevrolet. It does not say Camaro on it anymore. It says Chevrolet. So let's take a look and see what's going on in here. We're also doing some changes on our boxes. You can see this new one has a nice yellow background. It was gradient, but it doesn't look too gradient as it came out in production. Oh well, that's okay. That's the way stuff changes. So anyway. You'll also start seeing that coming along with the Larson. Okay, they changed things, so let's see. They've got the glass up on top, and here is the blue Chevy body. Oh, nice and bright and shiny, and the matching blue hood. And round and squishy things are indeed round and squishy. Let's see. You know what? I haven't shown the inside of one of these in forever. So, excuse me. All right. I do believe that this will be your backside. No, actually, I'm wrong. This is the backside of the wheel. You can see there's a little bit of a rib. That's where this tire is pushed out of the mold. So that goes on the inside, and this will be your outside. So there's no seam, no nothing on there. So that'll give you a nice surface for putting your decals on. Do I really need to open this up? I don't think I really need to. I think you've seen it far too many times. If you need to, there's plenty of other unboxing videos where I show what's all in the parts. This is the stuff that you're looking for. Okay, here's our instruction manual. That's pretty much common to everything. The differences in most of the kits is on the sheet that has your decal placements. On the back side is just the final instructions for putting in the windows and the dorsal fins. I don't know what they call those. I call them dorsal or vertical fins, and then just dropping the body on. Okay, so here is our standard black decal sheet. Okay. No nonsense. Same as it ever was. And then there you go. There's that very pretty sheet that old Mr. Clay Kemp put together. He does such beautiful work. So there's your Chevrolet for your back bumper. NAPA auto parts for your hood, and there's your side decals. So there you go. Looks beautiful as Clay always does. So there you go. And Cartograph, they always do the best stuff. So nothing fancy there, nothing out of the normal, just the standard good old Chevrolet Camaro kit in Chase Elliott's primary blue with a nice set of decals, as Clay always does. And once again, like so many that we do, all you got to do is just put the decals on and you're good to go as far as that. You don't need to paint the bodies. You don't need to paint all the parts interior if you don't want to. If you want to get some extra detail in there, you just do the extra detail and do the painting if it makes you happy. There's one of our guys in the Builders Club that's been doing, I would call them fantasy builds, because he's got a lot of different colors. He's painting the chassis inside, and I don't think they actually do have different colors. but that's what he does. That's what makes him happy, and that's what all of these are about, guys. Building the models should make you happy. If you're not having fun doing it, you're doing something wrong or you're in the wrong hobby. So, thanks for buying and building Salvinos J R Models, watching the videos. And starting tomorrow, February 15th, today is Valentine's Day. Starting tomorrow, February 15th, we are going to be doing our regular weekly video that we do on Facebook. We're starting it live on YouTube. So come join us Saturday at 9 o'clock, same time. And the links will be on, you can follow. Click the button, wherever it is down here. I don't know where. Anyway, click the follow button and subscribe to the channel, and you'll get notifications when we're going to do the Saturday shows. And same thing with Facebook. You can watch it there, which basically will be a link to here at YouTube. So hope you check us out, follow us, see more what's going on, and we're going to have an unveiling of a new kit tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks for buying and building Salvinos J R Models. Where's my buttons? Where's my sliders? There we go. Rick and I both thank you for buying our kits.